Yes, guys. Oh, happy days. Welcome back to another motovlog. D-Cycle here on a Wednesday after work edition of D-Cycle Motovlogs. And to my surprise, and probably yours, I am out on the bike. Yeah, I looked at the phone and it was saying around 45 degrees, and I said, you know what? I feel like riding, and I'm sick of the bike sitting in the garage, so went ahead, went home at lunch for my lunch break, got the bike, zipped right back here, and I am so excited to be out on two wheels right now. I'll be riding right into the sun too. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the custom bike series that I've been putting out videos for the last few weeks. I like how it's going. It's gotten a good response, and you know, little by little the Sport Glide is going to look a little different each week, I'm hoping. Now, I will get into doing some bigger stuff to the bike, like I got exhaust planned. I don't know if I'm going to do air cleaner or not, because I'm really looking for sound right now as over performance. I mean, right now this bike's got enough, it's got enough power for me. Probably mostly because I'm coming from running an 883 to a 107, so it is a big jump up, but man, it's still zippy. So there's some things I wanted to talk about on my ride home today, and that's kind of, I'm looking for more feedback from you guys, because you guys do help me out a lot, and I love when you guys are creatively criticizing me. Like, if you know there's something you don't like, but you give creative criticism, because there is a difference between criticism and creative criticism. It's like, most of the time criticism is just people being assholes, but there are the majority of you, I'm going to say 99% of you, are creatively constructive and creatively critical. Am I saying that right? Well, so some things I want to talk with you guys about today, and that is what I got going on this winter. Like, I got the custom bike series that's going on, and that's been going well. We've done it a couple of weeks now, and the response has been good, and I want to keep that going. But there may be some weeks tied in there where I'm not going to have, you know, the ability to buy a motorcycle part, because as a lot of you guys know, buying motorcycle parts isn't cheap, especially for a Harley-Davidson. But another plan I had was to do a live stream on Sundays, and I'd call it something like D-Cycle Sunday Live or something like that. And in these videos, I would do them out of my garage, kind of like I do my custom bike series. I do them out in the garage at the bar, have a drink, and either have a one-on-one with another motovlogger while, you know, we have a live feed going on, and, you know, people tune in and they can comment or whatever, or just be me in front of the camera talking to you guys, kind of like an FAQ, or maybe I'll come up with a topic, something like that. Let me know what you think of that in the comments below. I think that would be cool to do. But yes, 2018 is almost over, and actually I am actually really happy that this year is getting over with. It hasn't been the greatest year, it hasn't been the worst year, but it hasn't been very good in a lot of aspects. I'm just ready to turn the page, turn the calendar year over, and get started with another one. And I'm really excited for the plans I got for the channel next year, because I want to step it up another gear. I want to take it up another notch, and I want to do everything from putting more effort into my videos, into the quality, everything from how they're filmed to, you know, the content, like everything that goes into it. I just want to step my game up that much more. And, you know, I want to do more rides other than just riding to work and home. I want to do more rides with other people, group rides, charity rides. I want to do all of that. Going to new areas I have never ridden my bike to before. Because I think it'd be good to explore on my motorcycle a little bit more to places I haven't been, maybe even not in a car. And just, you know, see the countryside. And then also I think it'd be great for the channel, that way you guys can see more of what's to offer out here rather than this mundane shit right here. And like I said in the last video, I do have stickers coming. I just placed an order today, and hopefully within a week I have them. If you're a motovlogger and you want a sticker swap, get a hold of me in the comments below or on social media, and we'll make it happen. You saw the locker I had. I want to fill it up with stickers, man. Another thing I want to do is interact more with other motovloggers. I know there was kind of an idea kicked around with me and Great Egret about possibly doing like maybe a Midwest motovlogger meetup. where anybody that watches the channel or has their own channel could come hang out. We could go on a nice group ride, and whether it's Central Illinois or somewhere central where everybody can make it, and you know, have a good day, or you know, make it a 2-day thing or a weekend thing. I think that would be great. And of course, you wouldn't have to be from the Midwest to come. Any and everybody could come. Anybody with 2 wheels, doesn't matter. Sport bike, trike. If you ride a scooter, you'd have a hard time keeping up, but we'd love to have you, I'm sure. But interacting and supporting each other on these small motovlogger channels is really important. It really helps each other out when you're watching the videos, liking them, subscribing. It gives all of our videos more visibility to new audiences. Okay guys, so to wrap up this whole thing, what do you want to see in 2019 from the D-Cycle channel? Would you guys be interested in buying a shirt if I designed new shirts? Or if I had the same version of the old shirt I had, but, you know, different colors? Just give me any feedback you can. Just just go easy on me. Well guys, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for checking this one out. I'm glad to have been out on the bike again for a quick stint. It looks like I'm going to be putting this girl back up for a little while. The weather's supposed to be rainy and colder than today for the foreseeable future. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, hit the bell icon when you subscribe. That way when you know I got new videos going up. I'll see you guys in a future video. You guys take it sleazy. Okay guys, before I cut it there, I want to take this time to thank a handful of motovloggers that have helped me substantially in 2018. And I started this channel back in February. And these people in particular have really helped me grow. And that is Great Egret. Great Egret, I want to thank him because he's really been supportive of my channel. And he's exposed me to a lot of new viewers. He actually had me on his Route 66 series for like 3 videos. And we had a great time riding together. It was nice to actually meet him and you know, get to see somebody, shake their hand, and talk to them face to face. So that was really good. Thanks again, Joe. Another motovlogger I want to thank was Digging the Hound. Digging the Hound actually had me on one of his videos for Getting Hounded. Go up here if you want to watch that. It was actually a really fun time, and I had a lot of fun with him doing that video. Really cool guy from down in Texas. Hilarious, and he's exposed me to a lot of new viewers too, so thanks a lot to you, Digging the Hound. Also want to give a shout out to Dirty D's. Dirty D's has started this community, and he's made it tighter, and he started this hashtag support motion that he's gotten to effect that a lot of people are using, and it's all to help out all of the small channels, exposing people to new channels, telling us to support each other, and I think he's done a great job, and it's really making this small motovlogger channel community real tight knit. And thank you, Dirty D's, for doing all that. So that's all I got today, guys. Take it sleazy. See you in the next one.